Hey, what's up, guys? Well, we went to
Amato's
to get a steering horn for the Blazer because we blew it yesterday in the other video that we did, and
instead we got an E-REVO.
Yeah, we figured we'd just get an E-REVO because Andrew's been wanting one, I've been wanting one, and hey, they had a limited edition one come in today, the black one, and it is sick looking.
Oh yeah.
Would you agree?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's
go ahead.
Let's open it up, man. We've been waiting. I mean, it's just these trucks are sick.
Yeah.
Got the controller. You get the module for this controller. You can hook it up to your phone, and you can do all kinds of cool stuff with it.
Yep.
So our buddy Rob filled us in on that. So we're going to have to pick that up next. Let's rip this thing out of the box, man. I've just been waiting to see this thing. It's like just, bam, super cool. Oh, man. Oh, wow. Oh, man. Look at this thing. Come on. It doesn't get any cooler than that.
Yeah.
That is just sick. Wow, look at those tires.
Those are huge tires.
Oh my gosh. Look at the suspension travel on that car. Wow. Wow. That is so cool. We are definitely going to have to thrash this thing around. What do you say, Andrew?
Yeah.
Wow. We picked up 2 3-cell lipos for it. So we're going to be running 6S, baby.
Oh, yeah.
This thing is going to rip. Wow. Let's get the body off. Check this thing out. I mean, this thing is insane.
Hey, guys, heads up. When we bought this, the guy at the hobby store said, can't buy another one of these black bodies. So we went ahead and bought another body for it. That thing's heavy. Whew.
This car is insane.
Yeah.
Get a look at that. Wow.
I want to see what this thing can do for some wheelies.
Man, I cannot wait.
Probably beat all the other wheelies.
I cannot wait to get this thing going.
Yeah.
We're going to have to order a wheelie bar for it.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Wow.
That's a pretty awesome car.
That thing is so super sleek looking.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that's like, it's like a stealth bomber, man. The tires are almost up over the hood.
No.
Just look at the size. Andrew, you got that Rustler over there?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, just throw that up there. Let's just do a size comparison here. You know, from the Rustler. Oh, wow. Look at that.
Holy cow.
Oh, man. That is definitely a difference.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. That is just insane.
Oh, yeah.
You think this thing's going to rip a wheelie?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I mean, if the Rustler could, this thing's got to rip some wheelies.
Probably. I mean, they got the same exact tread.
We're not going to trash this body. This body's just super cool.
Yeah. Plus,
It's too nice.
Plus, we can't get the same body. So.
Yeah, right. You can't order this body from Traxxas.
Yeah. Holy cow! Ooh.
Look at the suspension on this.
That's amazing.
Look at that. That is just incredible.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. This thing is just going to fly through the air at top speeds. Guys, this is a 70-mile-per-hour car. That is just insane.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I mean, what do you think this could do to the Rustler, like up against it? I mean, you think it's got any chance?
Well, probably crawl right over.
Yeah, I'd say. Look at that. That's crazy. I mean, look at the size of that thing. It's just like, burr. Look, I mean, look at the articulation on the suspension on this thing.
Yeah.
It's just got, I mean, the motor's got a good size. The power is just going to be insane.
You sure don't want to be jumping out with that body over there.
No. That's why we picked up a spare body, guys. We picked up a spare body for it because we don't want to trash this black one. Because this is like a one-of-a-kind body.
I don't know about this body right here, but I think I like that black body better.
Yeah, the colors on this one though, I mean, that's a nice color.
Pretty nice.
That's really, really good looking.
Yeah.
Good looking car. It's got some nice rims on it. The tires are nice.
Let's compare the inside of these things.
You know, that's a really, really sharp looking car. Sick. I can't wait to get this thing out. That's just awesome.
Ooh, that's a
awesome.
Huge
Look at that suspension.
comparison.
Look at that suspension just work. Huh?
That's a huge comparison.
Wow. Real cool.
Yeah.
The suspension's adjustable. We can adjust that suspension. We got here's the hand flip on the controller, and it shows you the Traxxas Link wireless module that you could purchase. There's an app that you download on your phone, and then it shows you all different kinds of stuff, what's going on. It's got a whole dashboard. Really cool features that Traxxas did on this car here. I mean, this is really cool.
Oh, yeah.
Really, really cool. I mean, I think Traxxas did a really good job with this car. Amazing. Amazing.
I think we went a little too crazy tonight.
No, I mean, come on. It's just an E-REVO.
Yeah.
You know? Crazy is going to be like when we get out there, rip this thing up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Dude, 3S with this thing.
Crazy.
I mean, look at this. 70 plus mile an hour. If you're running a pinion spur, 2046. That's crazy.
I mean,
with 236S, come on. That is awesome. Sick. I mean, hey, that's just a great looking car. Suspension on this thing. Let's look at the underneath of this thing. Show these guys what it looks like here. I mean, look at the size of everything.
Yeah. That's huge. Look at
these are A-arms and everything. Dude, look how big it is.
Is that 2 servos?
Yeah, 2 servos.
Holy cow.
Double servos. Yes. And that's a really nice feature that they put on there for those protectors there.
Yeah.
For the servos and stuff. Really, really nice.
These are huge tires.
Really nice.
Are these foam-filled tires?
These here, I believe, are foam-filled. Yeah, I believe so.
Should we grab the slash?
Well, I guess that's the end of this video, this unboxing video. We don't want to talk about too much about it. I mean, you know, there's just a lot of cool features on this car.
Oh, yeah.
We really just want to, I mean, I can't wait to get this thing outside, you know, and just get it fired up.
Yeah.
I mean, hit some jumps, rip some wheelies, maybe some donuts. We don't know what this thing's going to do.
Yeah.
It's just, I know it's got a lot of power, so we're just going to have to check it out.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So,
Smash
hey.
that like button and subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you in the next video when we're ripping this car around.
Yep.
Later, guys.